Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to make your apps black on iPhone iOS 18. So if you have the white apps on your iPhone iOS 18 and you want to make the apps black, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your apps black on your iPhone run on latest iOS 18, all you just need to do is press and hold your iPhone home screen just like this. And once you see all the application jiggling, you can just go ahead, click on the edit button at the top left. Now once you select it, you see the menu comes up. On the menu, locate customize and click on it. Once you select customize, you're going to see a menu comes up beneath it. Here you have light, dark, automatic, and tinted. Now to make your apps black on your iPhone, just come here and click on dark. Once you selected dark, and just come here and click outside, then you should see all the applications you have on your iPhone iOS 18 turns to black from white. Is that? You can also automate the process to automatically switch on white or automatically switch off black when you choose automatic. But if you want to make the iPhone apps turn black permanently, just come here and select dark. Once you hit that button, then all the apps icon will change to black. So that is basically how to make your apps black on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.